Are you tired of constantly working harder and harder, yet never really getting ahead? Do you think Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and Jeff Bezos have endless to-do lists on their desks? How do they manage their work-life balance while overseeing their vast empires? Do you ever wonder if there's a better way to achieve your goals without sacrificing your peace of mind? Have you thought about whether there's a smarter approach that could save you time, energy, and stress? These are questions many of us struggle with daily. Yes, there are better ways and smarter approaches that intelligent people use. In a world that praises working non-stop, it's easy to forget what's really important. Our to-do lists seem never-ending, our schedules are packed, and burnout feels unavoidable. But what if it doesn't have to be this way? Welcome to School of Real Life Beyond Class. In this video, we will uncover the secrets followed by CEOs, billionaires, and other high performers to achieve more in less time. Studies show that adopting smart work techniques can increase productivity by up to 50%. If others have achieved this, you can too. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover a new way of working that might change your life. Remember, no matter what we aim to achieve, the first step is always the hardest but crucial for success. Now, let's discuss what it actually means to work smarter, not harder. It means finding easier and better ways to do your tasks. It's not about avoiding hard work altogether, but rather being more efficient and productive. This might involve planning better, using helpful tools, or focusing on the most important tasks first. The goal is to get more done with less effort. Here are 13 strategies to help you optimize your productivity and work more effectively. Number 1. Set clear and smart goals. It involves defining specific objectives or targets that you want to achieve within a certain time frame. Clear goals provide direction and purpose to your work. They give you something to aim for and help you stay focused amidst distractions. Without clear goals, it's easy to feel lost or unsure about what you're trying to accomplish. Start by identifying what you want to achieve. It is best practice to plan your daily goals ahead of time, either at the beginning of the day or the day before. Number 2. Identify and prioritize tasks. It involves recognizing all the tasks that need to be completed and then deciding which ones are most important or urgent. This helps prevent you from getting overwhelmed by trying to do everything at once. It ensures that you're not wasting time on tasks that don't align with your objectives. Prioritizing tasks also helps reduce stress by providing clarity on what needs to be done next. Start by making a list of all the tasks you need to complete. This could include work-related projects, personal tasks, or any other responsibilities you have. Once you have your list, assess each task based on factors like impact and effort. High-impact and low-effort tasks should be tackled first, followed by others. Number 3. Plan and organize. It involves creating a structured but simple plan for how you will approach your tasks and organizing your workflow to ensure smooth execution. Remember Albert Einstein's quote, "Genius is making complex ideas simple, not making simple ideas complex." Planning and organizing help you stay on track and make the most of your time by providing a roadmap for how you will achieve your goals in an organized way. Start by breaking down your goals into smaller, actionable steps. Then, create a timeline or schedule for when you will complete each step, taking into account deadlines and other commitments. Consider using tools like calendars, to-do lists, or project management software to keep track of your plan and stay organized. Number 4. Use time management techniques. It involves employing strategies and tools to make the most efficient use of your time. Time management techniques help you prioritize tasks, avoid procrastination, and stay focused on what's most important. You can use the Pomodoro technique, which involves breaking your work into intervals, usually 25 minutes of focused work followed by a short break. Secondly, you can also use time blocking or time boxing to manage tasks effectively. This involves setting specific time limits for each task, helping you stay focused. Thirdly, you can use the time management prioritization matrix to prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. Start with the urgent and important tasks first, followed by others. Finally, you can use the 1-3-5 rule for daily planning by selecting 1 major task, 3 medium tasks, and 5 small tasks each day. This helps prioritize your workload, focus on key goals, and manage smaller tasks effectively. Number 5. Taking regular breaks. It involves intentionally scheduling short periods of rest or relaxation during your workday. Breaks are essential for maintaining focus, preventing burnout, and sustaining productivity throughout the day. Working for extended periods without breaks can lead to mental fatigue, decreased concentration, and diminished creativity. Regular breaks help refresh your mind and body, allowing you to return to tasks with renewed energy and clarity. Schedule short breaks throughout your workday, ideally every hour or two. During your breaks, step away from your work area, stretch, walk around, or engage in activities that help you relax and recharge. Avoid checking work-related emails or messages during your breaks to give your mind a true rest. Number 6. Focus one task at a time. It involves dedicating your full attention and energy to completing one task before moving on to the next. Because multitasking can decrease productivity and quality of work by dividing your attention and leading to errors or incomplete tasks. Start by identifying the most important or time-sensitive task on your to-do list. Work on the task until it's complete, then move on to the next task. Number 7. Eliminate distractions. It involves identifying and removing anything that might divert your attention or disrupt your focus while working. Common distractions include notifications from emails or social media, background noise, clutter in your workspace, and interruptions from colleagues or family members. To eliminate distractions, start by identifying the main sources of distraction in your environment. This could include turning off notifications, setting boundaries with co-workers or family members, and creating a clutter-free workspace. Number 8. Delegating and outsourcing. It involves assigning tasks to others or hiring external resources to handle certain responsibilities. This frees up your time to focus on higher priority tasks that require your unique skills or expertise. It allows you to distribute workloads, reduce overwhelm, and ensure that tasks are completed in a timely manner. Start by identifying tasks that can be delegated or outsourced. These could include routine administrative tasks, or time-consuming tasks that may not be high value. Once you've identified potential tasks to delegate, determine who is best suited to handle them. When delegate, clearly communicate expectations, deadlines, and any other relevant information to ensure successful completion of the delegated tasks. Number 9. Stay healthy. It involves prioritizing your physical and mental well-being to ensure you have the energy, focus, and resilience needed to perform at your best. Remember, your health is the foundation of your productivity. When you're healthy, you have more energy, mental clarity, and resilience to tackle challenges and pursue your goals. Make self-care a non-negotiable part of your routine. Number 10. Leverage your peak productivity times. It involves identifying the times of day when you feel most alert and energized and scheduling your most important tasks during these times. Pay attention to your energy levels throughout the day. Notice when you feel most alert and when you feel more tired. Once you've identified your peak productivity times, schedule your most important tasks during these periods. Number 11. Continuously improve skills. In today's rapidly changing world, skills can quickly become outdated. Continuously improving your skills ensures you remain competitive, adaptable, and capable of meeting the demands of your profession. Identify areas where you want to improve or develop new skills. Seek out learning opportunities such as online courses, workshops, seminars, or professional certifications. Number 12. Use Pareto principle. It involves identifying the most significant activities that contribute to your desired outcomes and focusing your efforts on them. The 80-20 rule suggests that 80% of results come from 20% of efforts. Identify the key activities that contribute most to your goals and focus on it. Number 13 and last step, review and reflect. It involves regularly assessing your progress, evaluating your performance, and learning from your experiences to identify areas for improvement and refine your approach. Schedule regular review sessions to reflect on your progress, achievements, and challenges. Use this time to analyze your accomplishments, setbacks, and any patterns or trends you notice. Ask yourself questions such as: what went well? What could have been done differently? What lessons did I learn? What adjustments can I make to improve moving forward? Use these insights to plan for the next day, week, month, or year. In conclusion, optimizing productivity isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. As we wrap up, remember this quote from Leonardo da Vinci: knowing is not enough, we must apply. Being willing is not enough, we must do. So take action now. If you enjoyed the video, hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share it with friends and family you care about who might benefit from it. Also, leave a comment below to let us know your favorite smart work technique or share any tips that might benefit others. And don't hesitate to suggest topics you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching. Check the description for more similar videos.